some final adjustments to be made here.
One more. You buy one more.
The food was so good here. Okay, let's make a wish. We are somewhere between An Bang, the most famous beach, and Kua Dai, one that is more remote. At first we went to check Kua Dai beach, but it was not nice for swimming, and we chose to stay somewhere between because we don't want to go in a crowded area. We heard it's a bit dirtier as well. Here is really nice, peaceful, just a few persons, the water is calm, and we had some sunbeds, fresh coconut, so we are good. Since we only had one dragon fruit in the morning, we stopped for brunch at a cute cafe in a garden. And we will have a sweet bagel with banana and peanut butter and some hummus bread. Yay! The food was so good here. We were also hungry, but the beetroot hummus with avocado and eggs was so good. And then after we had something sweet, a bagel with peanut butter and bananas. Wow, delicious. We really recommend this place. I will leave you the link in the description. And now we are going home to take a shower, change, and no plans after, but oh, I have to go pick up a suit from a tailor, so yeah, stay here. And look what I found there, a papaya tree. It's not the season yet. I love papaya, but soon. Okay, let's go.
So Yasmin is back to try the new clothes. Let's see what is going to happen after 17 hours approximately.
The trouser first, the top coming now.
Okay.
Come inside the room, please.
So the trousers are ready. We cannot film inside, but see you later.
Đừng bật xuống em. Đừng bật xuống đâu. That's okay.
Looks really nice.
First try and it's almost good.
Yeah, almost perfect.
Mhm.
Chị lên nào.
Some final adjustments to be made here.
Lên. Có cái gã lưng này lên hả? Mùa xa ngán nhiều hơn lên, ăn mùa trước lên nhưng mà mùa xa ngán nhiều hơn lên. Nè. Đó, con đi nè. Nice. Có dây kéo trong ấy đầy có thể. Take it off with you. What time you leaving?
We are not.
We are not leaving. We are not leaving. We stay tomorrow too. It's okay. No. Oh. Okay.
One more. You buy one more.
We were searching for a place to have a coffee and something to eat, and we came across one that has a very interesting story. We found it on Google, it had good reviews, but we only heard about the story while we came here, and I'll tell you a bit about it. First of all, the location is really nice here with the rice fields and the heart there, and yeah, the whole setting looks very nice. And then while looking into the menu, we saw that here there are a lot of villagers employed, some of them having some health issues, and they all have a workplace here, so it's really nice. And also the restaurant is vegan or vegetarian, and they serve coffee. The food is here. We have classical coconut coffee here, and Alex's favorite, the egg coffee. Some teas from here. Potato cake.
Potato cake.
With the sauce. It doesn't really look like a cake, but I think it's good. And
This is very hot.
here-
This is very,
Yeah.
very hot. Must get ready. 1, 2,
2, 3.
3.
Wow, looks
some-
really good. It's
some
eggplant
egg. Yes, and this 1,
in the
2,
oven and
3.
rice.
Rice with sesame.
Yeah,
Oh, good.
so just vegetarian food.
Let me open it for the final one.
Okay. Wow. Yummy. Smells good.
Really good.
Thank you.
How was it?
Okay.
Sorry.
No problem, no problem. Enjoy your meal. You did a great job.
We found here a more peaceful street. It's a very big area, and in some parts it's very crowded, but it's really beautiful here. These trees here look very old. Maybe they're ancient trees.
Right.
And also these are heritage buildings. Colorful. Very picturesque. And all of these trees here have numbers.
Yeah, yeah.
If you want to go on a boat tour on the lake here, near the bridge, you will find the ticket booth. So from here you buy the tickets and there are the boats. Must do in Hoi An boat tour. Very romantic. It costs 150 per boat if you are from 1 to 3 persons. So we had to pay for the whole boat because we wanted to have it by ourselves. I think it's a fair price. For 30 minutes, I think. The thing is, here on the boat you can light up a candle and put it here on the lake and make a wish. So we are doing that. Okay, let's make a wish.